I'm Bob Crow.
I'm Inga Chamberlain.
We're behavioral therapists, board certified in both clinical and medical hypnosis. We see patients wanting to become non-smokers, to lose weight permanently for stress reduction, and those that want to perform better in life, whether it be in sports, sales, public speaking, or relationships.
We also see individuals presenting with medical conditions that have an emotional or behavioral component, like IBS, Crohn's disease, and fibromyalgia. Painless dentistry and childbirth respond extremely well to hypnosis. We co-founded the Atlanta Center for Behavioral Change and also established the Atlanta Center for Hypnosis Training, where we train and certify individuals to become hypnotherapists.
We decided to open the Atlanta Hypnosis Training Center because of the incredible interest today in both medical and clinical hypnotherapy.
We are continually sought out to address medical schools. There are many individuals who feel that they have a calling to help others while developing a career for themselves.
If your company's downsized, or your career isn't what you want it to be,
or if you've wondered, what if at some point in life I'd zigged instead of zagged?
This video is directed towards the mature adult that feels that they might be missing something, or an individual that is re-entering the workforce. But in any case, someone that's experienced life, an individual that wants to make a significant mid-course correction in life, but doesn't have either the time or resources to spend pursuing the 4 to 7 years it might take to re-educate oneself in a new field.
You should know that there are not enough knowledgeable and well-trained hypnotherapists. Bob alludes to a 2-hour course that some take and then refer to themselves as hypnotherapists. They may or may not know how to hypnotize someone, but they're certainly not a hypnotherapist.
Possibly you've thought about a second career.
Thousands of people are just plain bored and want something more to do with their lives.
We'd like to invite you to consider attending our National Guild of Hypnotists Certified Training School.
If you have an interest in helping people to move past limiting thinking and to help them to make permanent behavioral change, you might think of building a new career for yourself at the same time.
Between the two of us, we bring over 50 years of counseling and hypnotherapy experience to this course.
You'll learn how to hypnotize others, self-hypnosis, hypnosis for smoking, for permanent weight loss, for stress reduction, and true confidence.
You also learn clinical hypnosis, medical hypnosis, pediatric hypnosis, pain mitigation, and basic counseling.
All hypnosis training is not the same. Some are actually only a couple of hours long and don't have a counseling or a therapy component to them.
To be clear, this isn't one of those 2-hour mini classes held in a hotel, taught by a promoter, where the main thrust is amusement or entertainment. This course is grounded in the science of the subconscious mind. We've invested in facilities that were designed and enhanced for learning.
This is the real deal. This is a thorough 200-hour course in hypnosis training that will qualify you in hypnosis, hypnotherapy, and hypnosthesia. It consists of 75 hours of basic classwork, 75 hours of advanced, and 50 hours of lab work.
Some say, this sounds great, but I'll do it after I retire. Well, they're just kicking the can down the road again. It'll take you a couple of years just to get referrals and to build a practice that you can live on, and that's after you've completed the course and gotten some experience. The time to take the course is now. Start building your practice part-time. Then you can turn it into a full-time career if you wish.
If you'd like to make a difference in people's lives and enable them to move past their limiting thinking and behavior, you've moved beyond just having an interest in hypnosis,
right,
and now might entertain the idea of hypnotherapy as either a full or part-time career.
That's right. It's a fact that the best hypnotherapists were themselves individuals that, for whatever reason, sought out and used hypnosis to successfully make behavioral changes in their own lives.
We invite potential candidates to contact us for a pre-enrollment interview to discuss tuition and the curriculum. If you're ready for a new challenge and are willing to commit to the time and the financial investment, consider this opportunity.
One often hears where individuals have trained for a profession, but after working in that field for a few years, they regret going into it. We've never, ever heard of anyone regretting becoming a hypnotherapist.
So why is our certification course 200 hours instead of only 2? It's because learning basic hypnotic technique is only a part of it. In this course, you will learn advanced hypnosis and be able to guide someone into somnambulism. Now, somnambulism is not basic everyday hypnosis. Allowing someone to get deep enough to dial down, smother, or alleviate serious pain is much more involved. And knowing how to help an individual takes knowledge and skill. The right questions must be asked in order for the hypnotherapist to determine what the root cause of the presenting problem is, and then to enable the person to change or modify the behavior.
So you see, hypnotherapy is not just about teaching someone how to hypnotize an individual. You will learn the advanced techniques and therapy, and you will be glad that you invested 200 hours, not 2 or maybe 20. We do look forward to hearing from you.